guys, so I'm currently in my room na. Feel na ko kay oily na kay ko, but this is my room. And bago na dyan ko mabot. Tapos bago na ko kakitag bad review, may gani kayo kay relation. Hi guys, so this is our fit for today. Want to namig bantayan and I'm gonna see my friends in few minutes. Okay.
Nagiwa ko sila dito. Sila na dua sila ba na?
Hindi makita na sila.
Sorry, ano mo tani? Don't mind the background noise.
Digimon din. Katabi ko po yung dalawang giving.
Kahit yan na sa boyfriend mo. Gaga.
Hapit na gid may makabot sa bantayan, guys.
Yay! So far, wala pa naman na-test our friendship.
Day 0 pa po kasi for today's video.
No? Individual. Hi guys, nangabot namin. Hindi ako aljun kami.
Kami bantayan, guys. Hashtag surreal.
Hello.
She's just arrived. Say hi, Aljan.
Hi.
Team Jejemon check. Abot na gid me, guys. This is our room. Oh. This is our terrace here. Only have 30 minutes to prepare, guys. Kaya. Guys, nice kayo ilang dagat diri. Ang tangon ko. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ngayon mo lang siyang truck sa coconut dahil. Kasi, ano ba yung ko? Dito sa kahit. Ayaw.
What hotel? Hi.
Hi. We're going to eat.
We're finding
We're gonna look for
a
food
spot for
because
dinner.
we didn't have lunch.
Waiting for food.
Nag-serve isang hotdog.
It's time to eat.
Here's our food.
Pag food reviewed niya, day.
Creamy scallops, guys.
Wow.
Ang kay Ilaa is pork barbecue. My God, so basic.
Sorry naman, day. I think mga ligo in this dark. Grabe atong mga directors diri, guys.
1, 2.
Nagmuma na sila ligo, guys. Wow.
Kabalo mo nga nung nangundang ni guys. Guys, kay balungan ni og suga lang tao. Wala ni suga diri.
Muray rason nga.
Nabuto lang ang mga
Nauman na.
mag-chismis sa mong lore. Guys, can you imagine nga, pila na may ka-years friends, karon pa dyan may naka-overnight like this.
Like, layo pa dyan kaya mong overnight.
Siya dahil, kay karon pa siya naka-overnight, naka-nagdili sa ilang balay. Like, Cebu pa dyan.
Diri pa dyan siya nasubig.
Bantayan pa dyan, guys. Oh.
Sumakses in life, I believe.
Yeah, I believe.
Ay, hike lang sa ambot if makasakay pa mi guys.
Ampo ah. We are exercising.
10K steps, I think.
We are exercising, guys.
Diba?
After a long day.
After pila ka hours naglingkod. Ay, di namin makita. Okay, bye. Hi guys. So, today is our island hopping day. We're waiting for our sundo. Ay, murag na ana day. Muna na guys. Wait.
Classy.
Guys, lami kay among food.
A real bad girl, but a real good teacher.
Pwede mong itlog na lang to. Nag-itlog juday mi ato. Katuro na gabi day.
Baby, mamang kayo may diriday.
It's time to eat.
Pagpalit. Look at us.
Lami kay among food. Thank you so much sa tito ni Ali. OMG. Hi, dog! Hi guys, so namin sa kung asa magpaan sa island hopping.
Do not ask directions from strangers. Go to the nearest police assistance.
As a follower of
The law.
guys, we're going to island hop na today. Right now. We're now in the bangka. Bangka! Hi! Bangka! Say hi, Irene. Hi! Ay! Naman yung pagka-hi niya. So, first stop di ay namo guys kay Virgin Island. Yay! Very exciting indeed. Guys, we're here in Virgin Island now. Ang ganda dito, guys.
So pretty here, just like us.
Ay, talaga naman. Wow! Hi guys! So, mulibot mi sa Virgin Island as of the moment. I know na ako'y shades ngayon kayo, pero naanas mayong kamo. So init and we love it. Balag maitom nami guys because it's the beach and we deserve the sun.
Yes. This is what we prayed for.
Yes,
for
answered
pila ka
prayer
weeks,
guys.
we prayed for the sun.
Thank you, Lord. Kay 80% chance of rain room guys. Ulan pag yun ganina kusog.
So na kuan na may slide.
Napulbaan.
Na difference na may slide.
But here we are in the sun. God is good.
That's good. Here's our prayers.
Mannequin challenge. So guys,
We're going to
Baigad Lagoon.
Baigad
Lagoon. Let's show it to our vlog. Where's the timeline?
guys.
Salamat sa information, Miss Irene. Okay, musakay na. Currently in Baigad Lagoon. Snorkeling time. Ay, mabalin pa din Mig Island, guys. Okay, hi guys. Manamig snorkel nga nag-swim ra actually. So, how are you guys feeling right now?
I'm hungry.
At may nalaman. Di lali mag-swim guys. Oh my gosh, hagad na mitanan.
Di lali mag-swim guys. Labaw na excited. Parat kayo ang dagat.
Oh my god. Wow.
Nice to. Dira sagod ka dahil muna ako.
Hi guys, so kanaog namin. We're in the mainland. Ay!
Back from
over sa mainland. Taas-taas pa mo haikon because low tide na guys. Ang dili nakalahos ang bangka.
Look at the sunset.
Yes, it's very nice. Wait, i-back cam na to. Wow, the sunset. The sun is setting? Huh?
Tourism? Ay, tourism. Asa na pin? Dito?
Ah, guys, dagan kay star prints. Star prints. Because of the starfishes. Amazing.
Tunog the star.
Gosh,
never ending, guys.
This is us after the island hopping. Gipanglutom na. And us. Wala man taningon of this is there. Yes. Guys, si Irene ug si Aljan, they are very intellectual beings.
Yeah.
Ilang pag-chismis guys, kay mura sila true. Na lang.
Ang among gibuhat lang that's like intellectual stuff na nalulubog sa starfish.
Yes.
Nakalat ni og bubbles sa sand.
Oh my gosh, naibuko juice. Is this yummy? Side quest number 1. Pauwi na. Over naman sa pauwi na. Hello guys, so we're now in MJ Square.
We're gonna eat dinner.
Yes, we're hungry. Mangita mig pagkaunan nga suitable for us. Over naman sa suitable. Okay guys, so nalibot na namo ang MJ Square and wala pa minakitaan. Dito na lang siguro ta guys, honestly. Settle for less. Pero karon piliun na po namo ang pinakauna nga among nakita. Hindi na talaga nato siya ulit. Sige, let's count it at second para dili siya mag-order. Ma'am, gusto mo mag-inom?
Sige, nag-choose na gito.
Yes, that's it.
Hopefully.
Mahal ba siya gamay guys? So, we'll give a review after. Nanami sa mong resto. Okay, hello guys. Murag kaulan.
We're going to my side quest. Our side quest now.
Maghatod mig chiding sa iyahang cousin.
Yeah. Shout out to Ate Paige.
Thank you Ate Paige for your support and guiding us through everything. Mura na mag-aampo. So, okay, gataligsik na guys. Bye.
Gataligsik yun.
Guys, tanawa among food. Naka-mini. Miniature ang style. Good morning, everyone. So, oh my gosh.
With an opener.
Naka-jacket siya guys, naka-bikini. Is that even possible? So, we are going to eat today. Ay, karon. Then, gahulat mi sa driver.
From Alsat. Left out kay ko sa ilang pink.
Bottom, okay.
Pero sige na lang, kay murag mas weird ang jacket. Top is from H&M, the bottom is okay.
What are your slippers?
My slippers are from SM Downtown Day.
Is that sponsored, Miss Irene?
No, unfortunately,
it's your own. This is our food for breakfast. Wala pa ang sa to, sinigang? Tinola di ay angel cake. Gamay kay king ham, guys. Nagmahay na ko kay dagko ila. Same price ra. Oh my God. Wait, dahil. Malasado. Good morning, guys. So we are now in saan nga simbahan? St. Peter and Paul Church. And nilili ra gyud mi, guys, kay Sunday di ayun niya. Over naman sa mga outfit. Si Angel makasulod kay naka-jacket siya. Pero nanulod mi tanan para makakita mi, guys. It's a nice church. This is our second stop for today, guys. It's the Mangrove Eco Park. So, diri di ay diri bang Camp Sawi? I believe diri. So, we will see later. Okay. Siyang nawong. Pero guys, the beach murara siya na sa Lagindingan.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ka na makita yun na mangrove sa banda.
Yes. Guys, so lagyapon mi kita sa Camp Sawi. I think agawi murag na ana jud diha, guys, kay daghan nagtao. Okay, let's go. Guys, masaya na talaga ang aming coffee lovers.
Labi siya day actually. Ano na day? Ako sa tilawin na day. Nya ako day gusto jud ko kape na dili tamis. Kay para sa ko day dili na siya kape day para sa tamis.
Oh my God, it's still coffee day.
Dayon ano na siya day?
Ako pag ingani ko kay I like it like kind of sweet. Kay tigla coffee ko. So para variety. This is a new coffee.
Kimuli na ato no?
Guys, we're now in the ruins with our CEO in ruining his life, Miss Irene. So guys, we're now in Ogtong Cave.
Chicks raman ko mo kiss day.
So we are going to eat now sa next building. Guys, yun ang nice man akong hair ron. Ganina, bati. We love you, social queen. Iyang ihatod ang food sa mong driver sa Tri-Motor, guys. She's so kind. Thank you so much. Hi guys, kakatapos lang namin maligo sa cave.
Hello.
Wet look ang atake for today's video.
It's 3 p.m.
So, madto na mi balik sa mong place. Kay dugay man kay mag-freshen up among isa diri. The one
and only. Guess who?
Did you enjoy the Ogtong Cave experience?
Yeah, actually. I think
Unsa daghag?
me, I enjoyed it
Daghan siyag pics, guys.
as a mermaid.
Nice man ang ilahang cave, like ang water. Ay,
What's the but?
dili
There's just many
kay
people.
kuan.
Oh yeah. Wala naman na solo
Unfortunately, pero nice good siya, guys. We recommend Ogtong Cave.
Kayo ang dagat. Our time stop.
Always yun may naga-dagat, so we wanted to try something new. Mana na cave.
And
nice yun,
everyone
guys.
wanted to try something new. So daghan people there.
Diba? Okay. Hello, guys.
It's
Time check, bye.
Time check, it's 9:32 and naapami sa Santa Fe Beach Club.
So, mag-hike ata mi karon, guys,
Kaya
because
wala may makita nga
Tri-Motor. And we have no choice.
Yeah. Honestly.
Layo-layo among hotel, guys. So,
Layo jud siya.
We'll
Siya layo-layo.
we'll
So,
see kung saan tayo dadalhin ng ating mga pa. Grabe. Na-stress niya to kay taas kayo ang lakwanan niya. Nagpicture sa campsite.
Sa sugod, Rajun, may pag nag-U-turn na lang dito dahil. No? Like, wala.
Pero one way. Actually guys, nagindigan agad siya nga mangrove. Kung gusto mo mangrove. Pero ang kuan guro kay ang mga pasalubong na barato na dito.
Yeah, naa sa gawas guys.
So mo tong.
Pero kung maabot mo dito, U-turn na lang mo sa campsawi.
Pero one way man gud ata siya. Pero wala man nakasulat.
Murag na curious lang gid ata mi ato.
Dili wala pud pabalik.
Oo.
So mo to guys, ano one way.
Pero one way. So, I think ito one way pero sige na lang.
Nako man nakaday. We'll update you guys if makasakay mi or deal.
Kailan po kayo, di mi kakita sa
lagi. Oh my gosh. Good morning, everyone. We're now in
Coco Cafe.
Nag-order namin food, guys.
Last breakfast at Bangkok.
Yes. And it's very mahal. Ako muna itong pinakamahal sa tanan meal.
Honestly, na-peer pressure kami sa each other.
Guys, naman ko exclamation marks ang ilang shake.
Mag-water ya dyan doon tayo.
Guys, tara ang shake. Umauto siya, guys.
Umuto, yung fry. Ay, yung... Oh, dahil gusto mo na.
Sa bestseller, siguro nila ang shake.
Okay na, dyan
diba?
Shakes! Ano?
Kimurag, nasuko man yun siya.
Mga... Mabudo lang dyan mag-shake.
No, I think they're local.
Hindi sa normal ang very local.
Ay, oh no.
Among previous...
Okay, asa mo tayo nakutol ato dahil?
I forgot.
Sa shakes.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Na-justify na among shakes.
Yes. And basin dili na ta mag-lunch, di ba?
So, heavy among breakfast today.
Muna mo pinakamahal yun meal.
One fact to baby.
Ever, diri sa
Wala
Bantayan.
siya na mag-ipungan ng mga kaugalingon dahil ganun ko na
Kuya, dyan po sa waffle.
O waffle.
Pero 380 na to. While waiting for our food. Okay guys, mag-taste test ni sa shake na ganito. Traumatized na. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, ito kita.
Kana siya milk. Like, mataste ko yung shake din. The shake is shaky.
Buang. Another good morning, guys. Ay, manam ko good morning. Pero, it's another side quest of the day, of the week.
What's your favorite na side quest na to so far? Favorite na side quest?
Ang pamahaw? Ako kay ang story sa imong tito nga naiwakwak. Mo to ang favorite. Kay giwakwak daw
sila
niya.
sa Sorsogon. Dili may mga dog Sorsogon.
Yes. Ora to kay gihawoy na ko. Guys, first time na mo sakay og ginani nga. Titawagan ni. This is not tri-motor, I fear.
Oh my
So amazing, guys.
Titawagan niya.
Are, Lara, Juday.
Ito siya.
Goodbye, guys.
Bye, Science Days.
Ay, goodbye, Bantayan.
Before 11:30.
Cut off naman. Basta mag-31 na siya. Cut off na lang.
Kato na naog na tibag. Libang ko.
We are so good. Paspas kami. Nakasakay mi and namin sa front row.
Dili ma'am, sa.
Ang dapat pag-yun, pag-yun ang
Tolo.
No, aircon.
Yeah.
Thanks to our Jajimons. Pintos, init pa.
our boys at the back. Team Y-word.
Team Hot Girls Society. Digimon Sports.
Pag nagbabiyahe, nagiging Y-word sila. Can make sleep.
Pero pagkakita na mo pagkaon kay na naog.
Mari pa dyan ako makatempura na ko pero pangit dayog no. So balik ni sa mong original plan.
Nakita dyan yung cup noodles because the-crave din ko paganinang kadlawon.
Gabi pa dyan. Smile. Hello. Welcome to PDA Dump.
What's in our bathroom? Impulse buy. Okay, moment of truth. Guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, big chagan! That looks good. Oh my god.
Cookies in it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nice. Tete kaya ako. Guys, this is our taste test. Sa pistachio.
Mine kay double dark.
Double chocomalo.
Double chocomalo. Oh. Marshmallow.
So we're ready to eat. No, we ate. Robbie, black and red. Hi guys. So we're now in IT Park. Dapat may sa Sugbo, but we're on the way. Oh my God! Walay Sugbo! Oh, why? What in the Palau world, guys? Hot on cam. Diri namin napalit, guys, because walay Sugbo for today. Ang mga napalit og bok chicken because Sugbo is not around. Anong karon man yun siya wala? Ako ni kabalo. Hi guys, mag-photo booth ni karon sa Han. Lagi. Good morning everyone. It's our last day. Pangit mo ko tanaw.
My glasses.
Hello, wait.
Actually,
I
did not bring my glasses.
Isa ra jud ang wala naka-glasses.
I hate you guys. Lapit sa
Bulong.
Heritage Salon. Lapit sa Anthony's na bacon mushroom. You can see actually
Guys, so mamalhin na gud ay mag-Ayala.
Napalaong may sa tightrope, guys. Kaya wala may ganay sa food.
Gamay ra kayo, limited.
Options. And then, brunch na namo. Like, it's almost 1 p.m. O pa may kaon.
We're going to Ayala Center.
So, see you there.
Hello guys, we're now in Ayala Center. Mag-chilies me guys! Like, grabe, excited kay ko mag-chilies kay Dugay nagit kay ko gusto mo adto ana. Nakit kay lang ako flash.
I think para sa Grand
Oh my gosh. So, mga to guys, see you in Chili's. This Dugay kami naglakaw-lakaw and we can finally see Chili's. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Wow. We're finally here after how many years? Oh my god, very exciting moment. Ay, how are you feeling right now? Gutom. Ay, hindi talaga siya nagduha-duha, guys. Gutom na may tanan. Window shopping core. Guys, habit namin magbulang.
Hi!
Our trip is...
It's ending, guys! And after ani na trip, lisod na kaayo na yung matapok again.
Ginagin may matapok kay mag-review na and everything.
Matapok pa ta, but
doon na tayo, wait lang. Okay, dili pa dito mga among grab. So, mauto siya, our 5-day trip. Yeah, is done.
Muna
Mura niya akong gilook forward sa pag-ibukin na breeday.
Honestly, mo ni na trip ang amo ang last before me magbulag-bulag for a long time. Hopefully, magkita mi sa birthday ni Irene.
Guys, magbulag kami. Oh my God. Spotted na naman. Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
Goodbye to the vlog.
Wait, wala pa. Honestly.
Gano'n?
Magbulag naman tag-dinner. Dali, kumawa. Ayaw ito. Masarap ng burger. Hawa na. Hawa na ito. Ouch. Early na kapag na. Ready to sleep.
Digimon spotted. Mga tambay lang kami sa baba. This is Stripes Girls Score. Against the Lord mo, Day. Bali. Wow. This is our Barco girls. Airport fit, di ay.
Only guest for this flight to Cagayan de Oro must be on board.